everyone, this is your notes on mitochondrial inheritance. Definitely one of these situations that does not follow traditional non-Mendelian genetics. And this is because the mitochondria, remember we talked about it being a prokaryotic cell. The mitochondria divides by binary fission, meaning that it's a clone of the previous mitochondria. So it's an exact copy of the mitochondria, and that's passed on through the mother. The father will not donate the mitochondria. It's the egg that contains the mitochondria. And therefore, when you follow these inheritance patterns, it's going to be much different than normal Mendelian genetics and Punnett squares, especially with those pedigrees. So you inherit any mitochondrial DNA directly from your mother. Remember that the mitochondria have their own DNA. It's circular, it's a single chromosomes, doesn't have histones. And so what you're going to see, or what you're going to look for on these pedigrees to determine if something is mitochondrially inherited, what you'll notice is you'll have a mother who is affected. Let's say that the affected is shaded in. And she would pass all of these to her offspring. Mother or son. But then when these individuals marry, you would notice that the sons don't pass it on to their children, but the daughters would pass it to their children. So you're looking for an inheritance pattern where from the female, it gets passed to not just the males, but to all the children. And then in the next generation, you would see that the males don't pass it on to their children, again, because they're not donating that mitochondria. But you would see that any daughters of this original mother would pass it on to all of her children. And so it would look initially like an autosomal dominant trait. However, upon closer inspection, you would start to notice a pattern between who is passing on the trait and to how many children is that trait being passed on to, because the mother would give it to all their children, but the males, even the sons of this woman right here, they would not pass it on to their offspring. Thanks for watching.